today we're gonna do another wiffle ball game, and it's gonna be the Fieldhouse Dogs, who are 2-0, first place so far, against the 0-2 Tigers. And since we're doing these balls and the other bat, they go further, so we'll score more runs. So the Tigers will be up 10-0 instead of 4, and then if we play the normal, it'll be moved up to 6. So.
And I'm back today. Couldn't make it last time. I had a baseball game, but no, I don't.
Okay, let's just meet you. Because he... Okay. You're... Yeah. Well, not like actually, but this is just for the bat hands. Like, because he's... Oh, what do you want to do?
I'll hit first.
We'll hit first.
We're hitting first.
Or let's do field, because so that we can just warm up. Because he's.
I'll catch you. Wait, what? Are we doing
Starting for the Fieldhouse Dogs is Max Over. These are warm up pitches.
I was hitting BP today, earlier. I had 5 tanks and 5 bats. I think I'm warm today. And we couldn't find another jersey like this for him, so I just stuck with another one. It's not my jersey, it's his. Because I don't play for his team.
That was a little bit of a delay. And we're doing 2 outs. 2 outs and 3 innings or 2. I don't know. And then we'll set, since it's a little bit longer field, we'll set.
No.
He hit that twice. Strike one.
I'll lead off first.
1-1.
Foul.
Foul ball, barely. 1-2 the pitch. And
No, wait, he wasn't ready.
that was practice. That didn't count.
Wait.
1-2 the pitch. Double. 2-2 from both of them. Full count. Single. Well, ground out. That would have been a single. Stayed in there, but it wasn't.
Let me lead off.
Yeah. Now up. Your leadoff hitter, Mason. Slick. I forgot it for a second. And now kind of commentate the pitch. Strike one from adult Bodecker. And foul ball. Here, Dad. It's like that.
What if I just choke up like this?
0-2 count. Slay's looking to get a hit here. Ball. 1-1 to winner. It's around his hand and it's gone. Oh, no. 2-2.
I could have crushed that.
I'm gonna scoot this up because it's like a 2-2, the pitch. And the Tigers are in their City Connect jersey. The red. Not really, but it's just the shirt he's wearing. 2-2 still after that foul ball. And 3-2 full.
Good at that right here.
The pitch, full count. And roped, poolside, and single for Mason Slide. Now batting, Maxwell Bodie. I love it. Here, just go to that base. It's just after you hit it. You go there. And he's going in there. So, oh no, change my batting stance. Hold up. Hold up. Alright. Oh, the pitch. Hey! Pop out. Or no. Single. Man on first and second. 0 to 10 because he starts.
Now batting, Mason Slide.
That's cool. I'm not going to do that again. Sometimes.
Oh, the pitch with no outs. Ball.
Man on first and second. The dogs are looking to get a run. And in on the hands.
Hey, pause.
Single. Alright. Bases loaded.
I'll be at third.
Bases loaded. You could make it 6-0 difference instead. Foul ball. 1 out. 1 out.
Now batting.
He's going in there for a second.
Mind hitting?
How City Lake? The Tigers.
No.
We're not.
Max, are you videoing?
What?
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
I was trying to find out. No, Matt,
Here, please, for a second.
No, it's fine, it's fine.
So,
This is his BP.
so you can skip to the timestamp or not. No, never mind. Don't. Because I have to.
You can skip to this time stamp.
Yeah, because we're waiting. Or you could just hear about while
So
we're waiting.
right now, this is my second game. Right now, I'm looking for my first home run, which I think I'm gonna get today since the torpedo and the baseball. I was saying Tanks and BP earlier. Those about the same speed.
And the Tigers came off of a really good season. Last year we didn't video it, so don't get confused. I think it's 2024.
I'm a switch hitter as well. So
The Warriors actually won 2024, even though we didn't have a championship. They just had the best record. And then
I'm also a switch hitter, so when there's a lefty thrower, I'll be hitting righty.
And
Since
then-
there's a righty, I'm hitting it.
Hey, ready?
Yeah.
all right, and then this is where you would probably skip to if it was the time stamp. All right, now we're back. We're back after that delay. And top of the second. 1 out, bases loaded. Dogs are hitting. Go. Oh, count. The pitch. And just a bit outside.
Say the grand slam right here.
ball.
I just got hit in the head at practice this week.
All right, 2-0 the pitch from Bodecker 2.
Can we reset counts?
Walks.
Yeah, on walks. You only have
Well,
one reset count each other.
the next person hits, though. Because, like, to make it... Oh, and popped up? That could be. And what would we say that is?
That's a single.
Yeah.
No,
Because he...
foul.
No,
it's
that
single.
would be single.
Okay.
All right, 1 to 10. Because starting runs is 10 for him. Base loaded. Strike. Nasty. That started at my head. All right. 0-1 the pitch. Foul.
Sit back and drive it.
Bodecker is looking to hit a nuke here and make it 5 to 10 already in just the bottom of the first. And if I said top of the second, I didn't make it. Well, I did, but I didn't. The pitch? Foul. All right. 0-2 the pitch.
Oh!
And strikeout.
Next, I'll need to
All right, next inning. 1 to 10. This might be the Dogs' first loss of the season, but it wouldn't be a blowout because we started with 10 runs. But it's only the top of the 10. And
Double!
double. Man on second.
Oh!
0-1 count. Oh my.
Hey, it's an out, right? Because
Yeah, 1 out.
Oh,
goodbye.
Would be 2 to 1, but since they start off with 10 runs to make the team spin. But 1 out. 1 out. 1 on. You have to mix that way.
That was nasty.
next inning.
Alright, 1-2 count. The 1-2 from Bodie. And foul. I almost sprained my ankle from that pop. It's 2-2. The pitch. And field it.
Oh.
They didn't even have to run.
I'm leading off. 12. That's why we took time.
12 to 1. Keep in mind, they start with 10.
So if
It's
you
not a
skip
blowout.
To this point, if you skip to this point, just know that we
Third inning?
And no.
second.
Second.
Bottom second.
Bottom second. The pitch. Foul.
That moved.
Yeah. Probably the wind. 0-1 the pitch. Foul again. Almost in the exact same spot. Here, pitch it. To the pitch. Oh. You're rolling over. Like, stay behind it, hit the center.
Isn't that what was
Good take.
Just
1-2. The pitch with no outs. And popped up. Out. 1 out. We're looking to score runs here as he just completely shut us out besides 1 run. Could have cost more if it was because it was only basic. Ball. 1-0 the pitch.
Oh my.
that's gone.
And no. Home run.
Only real ones know that.
They're starting to come back.
2-12.
2-12.
Hitting a 3 down 40.
2-12. Back to the start of the game, except losing an inning because 10-2. We're looking to go back to back. As I just hit that here. 1-0 has a good take. Here. The pitch. Strike. That was a painted. There. And this part is the strike. The pitch. Ball. 2-1 count. Just don't miss it. Stay through it. And popped up. Foul. Or catch.
Look at that speed. Look at that speed on that field.
Top of the third. We need a full run for this.
Here you go.
And if I start
They decide to not go with Mason just yet.
Oh yeah. Another home run. Stellar game. Four.
And we switch pitchers.
Going to Slay.
I have given them 0-1 count.
Strike. Hand.
Alright. The pitch.
Oh!
1 out. Tigers keeping the championship from last year going.
Oh no.
Easy field.
Oh! That's it.
Down the no, that's not good. It's about another there.
Oh, I bet.
We need 12-2.
You guys are winning.
No? Because you start with 10. Because it's like,
No, 13 to
13 to. No, 13 to 2. Yeah. We need to, we can't pop up.
We keep getting under it.
Line drives. Oh my head.
I pitched insanely low.
Ball.
Hit by pitches are balls, by the way.
1-1.
Is that gone?
No.
Second of the game. Roll your hat into me, bowling ball. Max, roll your hat into me for bowling ball.
Three to 12. All right, here. Don't roll over and pop it behind the ball. Line drive. Try to hit it. Try to hit him without a bounce. If it's inside, roll. If it's inside, exactly. That's. He's going. Single. We're starting to come back from the not scoring runs. Because if we don't score at all in a game, we automatically lose for every team.
Oh. Single.
Yeah. But we moved the runner.
No, last inning we get 3 outs. Bottom, since we're done running.
Well, but like,
Home team.
no, because then it'd be,
Okay.
I mean, I wish. It's baseball rules. Don't pop it up. Line drive. Back of the ball, line drive. Foul. You're done. We could, if we come back, it's the comeback of the century. Good take. Be extra picky. If it's not going to hit the zone, don't swing at it.
I like passing.
If it's 2 strikes,
No!
foul. Oh my. I'll do this. And since no, 2-1. If it's high, you know it's gonna hit the zone. If it's above you, even if it's gonna hit the zone, don't swing at it. Because you're most likely gonna but on 2 strikes, if it's gonna hit the zone, hit it.
Okay. What's the count?
2-1. If it's not gonna hit the zone, don't swing.
No.
Unless it's high.
It's 1-2.
Because you're gonna pop it up. Yes! Single. Run on first and third. 3-12.
Do it.
3-12. Run on first and third. Good take. Third of the game. First time in history of football, I think. 3 home runs in a game. Wow.
Five to 12.
No, wait.
Yeah.
No, 6.
6, yeah.
6-12. We're starting to come back. No, 6-13. All right, same thing. Not be extra picky. Don't forget that. Unless it's 2 strikes, be picky. Yeah, good eye. Make him throw a strike to you. Good eye. 3-1. 3-0.
Must be.
No. But when this is good eye. When it's this risky of a time, walk. When it's this risky of a time, we want to be super picky. Normally we swing at that just because we're trying to get more than just a single, but we don't want to like pop up or else we lose. Alright. I would have swung at that, but too risky. Too risky at it. 2-0. No, not this.
Ooh, strike.
No, you gotta hit it.
Hit it, didn't
Hit it. Get down. I would have easily nuked that, but I don't want to try to pop it up. Go. 3-1. No. Walk. Yeah. Man on
I? 3-1.
man on first and second. Be picky. Yeah. No! Back! Oh my! We almost just lost the game. But thankfully. If it's not gonna hit it, 1 strike. If it's above, don't swing, even if it's gonna hit the zone. And be picky. It's not gonna hit it. Get out. 3-1. 2. Is it 2 or 3-1? 2. My bad. Count. 2. Yeah. And 2-13 or 3-13 because he has the lead at the start of the game. Let's make it fair. Foul! Oh, it could have been. Really good.
Double. 3, 2. I scored in. How many runs scored?
2. We're on second and third. 8-13. Could be the comeback of the century. We come back from this.
And we couldn't hit like this in
Because
the
we were
first.
only 3-run innings. Yes! Double. Well,
That's a ball.
that's gone. Yeah, it's past.
3-run ball.
Wait, yeah. 11-13. No way. If we win this, I'm gonna be so happy. We were down 13-3. And now it's 10-13. 11. Because we had
11. We had 8 and I had 3. Is that a strike?
13-3.
Is that a
And
strike?
now it's strike.
1-1 or 0-2?
1-1. So we come back from this.
Better walk in.
Oh my! 4 in a game!
That's 6. That's 7 home runs in total this game.
This is just a home run derby at this point.
7 in one game.
4 of me.
1 of me, 2 of
And
nobody.
12-13 now. We started with 13-3 in this inning. We're 2-13 in this inning. And now it's 12-13. And it's been a 1-out rally. And keep in mind we're doing 2 outs. Yeah, good eye. Be very picky. It's not because we could easily just pop it up and ground ball and we lose. Because it's not over yet, just because we're down 1 run. Good eye. Make him throw a strike to me. It's kind of a unfair strike zone because it's 5 feet past him, but it's wiffle ball. So it's basically cricket, but protecting the plate. Or protecting the zone. And double. He's there before. He's halfway before. Everybody do it with me, hit the C line. Oh, a home run wins. And
Don't do that in City League again.
okay.
It's
All right.
oh,
No way, we win, bro.
oh my gosh.
It was 13-3 to win. And we won. Oh wait. No way.
Good game, though.
Crazy game
Good
on
game.
both teams. Nukes from the following country
Good hit. Hey, good
coming back on 13-3 though. Craziest game in history. 7 home runs in one game. 5 by one person. Or 8 home runs in one game. 5 by one person. And the Dogs win.